definitely try to bite you if they're really scared. But this one, we want to be gentle with it, move slowly around it, which is really cool. We're going to release her tomorrow because she has to go have her babies out at Gibbs Pond. Josh purposely let the snake bite him at one point, just to prove that these snakes are not bad. Okay, so before you guys touch it, we'll just hold her out so that everybody can see her. She's just hanging out. Really big snake. This one's not fully grown. It can get bigger.
So when do you know she's going to be?
Okay, so you guys can touch her right here. Well, actually, if you hold the snake and you run your fingers down it, you can actually feel these like kind of lumps in there, and that's you can just gently put your fingers on there.
You mentioned the markings, like you can tell based on the markings. So do they? How often do they?
Do they what?
How often do they lay their babies?
Once a year they'll have babies. Yep. And they'll come out kind of late July, August.
So they're all July, August for the most part.
Not near the head.
But they're all over the place.
Then it'll bite you.
Wherever you go, you just in the country, you could like step on one.
So is it always July, August? Is there like a mating season, right? And then, oh my gosh.
No, it's like, it depends on when they come out of overwintering. So the water snake can come out pretty early in the spring, and they can mate earlier. Garter snakes, they can't come out as early. So now she's getting a little scared. Just let her move. You can, with rattlesnakes, they tail the snakes.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
And it just kind of relaxes in the grass a little bit. Thinks it's moving. We'll put her back in her pillowcase. She's a little scared.
Ooh.
Does that gross you guys out?
Okay, Jack.
Does anybody know the name of that stuff? That is the biggest one I've ever seen.
Okay,
It's
Jack.
called musk. It has a really distinctive smell. Anybody want to smell it?
No.
Right there. Really? Oh, I touched your nose. Oh, man.
It stinks!
Okay.
It's like, I kind of like the smell of that. I've been around it for many, many years. And, supposedly, like, you know, some people are like, we had a kid who came out snaking with us, and he's like, I can smell snakes.
And he was really accurate.
Yeah.
That's the funny thing.
Yeah. You can smell them if they're really active, if there's a lot of activity going on, you can smell this musk smell, and you're like, oh, it's gonna be a good snaking day today. Get out there. All right. Does anybody have any questions about snakes? Any questions? All right, great. Well.
Are we gonna